Welcome to Off-Grid Oasis, where we empower you to create your sustainable haven. Today, we dive into DIY off-grid projects, helping you build and maintain your sustainable oasis. Discover the wonders of solar-powered living as we explore eco-villages like Ireland. Learn how to harness renewable energy sources for a 100% sustainable lifestyle. Explore off-grid systems and techniques, liberating yourself from traditional utilities. From rainwater collection to building compost bins, we've got you covered with step-by-step guides and cost-saving strategies. Join us on a journey of self-sufficiency as we delve into the lives of individuals who've embraced off-grid living. From self-built cabins to homegrown food, discover the secrets to sustainable living off the grid. Take a virtual tour with us as we explore sustainable off-grid living on a 14-acre property. See how space can be utilized efficiently for sustainable practices, inspiring you to create your own oasis. Witness the incredible transformation of a schoolie into an off-grid oasis over 2 years. From humble beginnings to sustainable living space, be inspired by the journey of creating a sustainable oasis. Now, let's delve into some popular DIY off-grid projects that you can easily tackle to enhance your sustainable oasis. First up, we have the DIY solar phone charger. Say goodbye to traditional chargers and hello to portable, eco-friendly charging. Utilizing a small solar panel and a USB charger controller, you can keep your devices powered wherever you go, harnessing the energy of the sun. Next, let's talk about the rainwater collection barrel. Harvesting rainwater for conservation has never been easier. With just a large barrel, a downspout diverter, and a faucet, you can collect and store rainwater for various uses, reducing your reliance on municipal water sources. Illuminate your outdoor spaces with charm using tin can lanterns. Simple yet elegant, these lanterns add a touch of whimsy to your off-grid oasis. By freezing water in cleaned cans and painting them, you can create beautiful lanterns that light up your nights sustainably. Looking to reduce heating costs? Enter the solar hot air collector. By harnessing the power of the sun to heat air, you can circulate warm air throughout your living space using a fan. Say hello to cozy winters without the hefty utility bills. Save water and create fertilizer with a composting toilet. By covering waste with carbon-rich materials for decomposition, you can turn your waste into a valuable resource while minimizing your water usage. It's a win-win for both you and the environment. Embrace soilless gardening with a mini hydroponic system. Using a PVC pipe frame, containers for plants, and nutrient-rich water circulated by a pump, you can grow your favorite plants efficiently and sustainably, even in limited space. Looking to generate additional renewable energy? Consider building a small wind turbine. With PVC pipes, an old bicycle wheel, and a small generator, you can harness the power of the wind to supplement your energy needs, further reducing your carbon footprint. Keep your living space warm with a solar air heater. Constructed with a wooden box, clear plastic, and black aluminum cans, this heater circulates heated air using solar energy, providing off-grid heating solutions during colder months. Illuminate dark areas sustainably with a solar bottle bulb. By encasing PET bottles in galvanized iron with filtered water and chlorine, you can provide light during the day off-grid, reducing your reliance on traditional lighting sources. Ensure a clean water supply with a solar water still. Mimicking the Earth's hydrological cycle, this homemade still produces potable water using solar energy, making it a vital off-grid solution for water scarcity situations. From solar chargers to composting toilets, these DIY off-grid projects empower you to create a sustainable oasis tailored to your needs. Join the off-grid movement and start building your sustainable future today. Now that you're inspired by these DIY off-grid projects, it's essential to choose the right ones for your needs. Let's dive into some tips to help you make informed decisions. Firstly, assess your skill level and the time frame you have available. Projects are categorized into one-day, weekend, week-long, and month-long projects, catering to beginners through to experts. Choose projects that align with your skill level and schedule to ensure successful completion. Next, consider the complexity of the project based on your skills. It's crucial to select projects that align with your abilities to avoid frustration and ensure successful outcomes. Start with simpler projects and gradually progress to more challenging ones as you gain experience. Select projects that align with your interests and motivations. Passion drives engagement and satisfaction with the process. Whether it's harnessing solar energy or creating sustainable water solutions, choose projects that excite you and keep you motivated throughout the journey. Ensure you have access to the necessary resources before starting the project. Consider factors like tools, materials, and space availability. Having everything you need on hand will streamline the process and prevent unnecessary delays. Evaluate environmental factors such as climate, terrain, water sources, and energy potential on your property. These factors can significantly impact the feasibility and success of your off-grid projects. Adapt your projects to suit your specific environmental conditions for optimal results. Research local zoning regulations and building codes to ensure compliance with the law. Understanding any restrictions beforehand can prevent legal issues down the line. Stay informed and plan your projects accordingly to avoid unnecessary complications. Determine your budget for off-grid projects and select accordingly. Balance the size of the land or project with your financial constraints to avoid overspending. With careful budgeting, you can create your sustainable oasis without breaking the bank. Consider the accessibility of your chosen property, especially during different seasons. Ensure transportation to and from the property is feasible year-round, allowing you to work on your projects consistently and efficiently. Lastly, assess water sources, sunlight exposure, wind potential, and energy requirements for off-grid living. Ensure your projects align with these essential needs for sustainable living, maximizing efficiency and minimizing environmental impact. By considering these tips, you can choose the right off-grid projects tailored to your needs and circumstances. Start your journey towards sustainable living today, one project at a time. As we wrap up our exploration of DIY off-grid projects, remember that the path to sustainable living starts with small steps. By embracing projects that align with your skills, interests, and resources, you can create a sustainable oasis that not only benefits you but also our planet. Whether it's harnessing solar energy, conserving rainwater, or growing your own food, each project contributes to a greener, more sustainable future. Together, we can make a difference. For more tips, tutorials, and inspiration on DIY off-grid projects and sustainable living, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join our community of like-minded individuals as we embark on this journey towards a more sustainable tomorrow.